Hey guys, welcome to Sleeper's Garage. Another day in the life.
Hey guys, so this is gonna be another vlog day. I'm heading over to Matt's house just to kind of chill before he goes for his surgery in his leg, and we're probably just gonna chill around, drink Monster, and play Forza 6 for 4 hours. So. I don't know what we're gonna do. I really don't. I mean, it's Matt and Isaac. Anything could happen. Hey Matt, welcome to the vlog.
What's up? Forza and go fast? Go fast in real life and in virtual reality?
There's your squeal. Okay, so we kind of just missed a few things. One, I kind of just ran into the curb. Everything's fine. Two, I found my dad's first car, and he's told me that his first car was a Saab 900 Turbo, I believe. There's a Saab right there. That's 350 and a 370Z. So many nice cars around here, though. Okay, guys, we're now in Matt's house, about to play Forza 6 because we're like that. Made that right there. That's my El Camino. I did all this. 800.
I'm just trying to play a game, you know? Go drive your fucking car, man. What are you doing?
And I'm playing Forza like a car guy should.
I'll get 2 practice laps and we'll see who's better.
You guys think that's a deal? That's a deal.
That's a deal right there.
That's a deal.
I'm ready. We'll see. This car.
Okay, this car. We'll do this car.
There you go. V12, Vantage S.
Okay, then shut up. Hey, we're done playing Forza and we're actually going out where?
Cheeseburger, get some hamburgers.
Cheeseburger, and we're going in his Chevy with an LS motor. That tire spin, holy shit. This thing has a lot of power for how old it is. But we just came up to a C7 Corvette. Just drifted the thing. Nice going. Good job, your first trip. I got to finish the vlog that day, so I'm gonna end it right now with Matt's surgery went very well. He doing fine, and as always, stay tuned for another episode of Sleeper's Garage.